Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get Claude Pro plan for 2 years, which include Claude Opus, Claude Opus and Claude Fable models. So Figma student plan, through this you can actually get Claude. So once you can prove that you are a student at Figma, simply type Figma student plan. The very first result which comes right here. This is their official website, and they have launched this program Figma for only students and university college going students, school going students. So once you land on this, you click on get verified, and then this, first of all, you do need to create an account on Figma. So it's very easy. Simply log in with your Google account. Figma, if you don't know, it's a very famous website for graphics, for creating graphics, similar to Adobe, Photoshop, Canva. So they have their own student plan, and right here you do the education verification. So right here you fill out this form. The Figma for Education program supports qualified students, education and administrator. Verify your eligibility below. So right here you select I am a student, and right here what type of institution do you attend. So I simply say higher education, and then do you have a school issued email address. You select it. Do you currently sign with your school email? So right here you select this, fill out all the options, and click on next. After you do this, basically, now right here you need to actually verify your education status. For this you need to simply provide your country, simply select your country, and right here you need to select the school. So as soon as you type this, simply search for your university or college. As soon as you type this, suggestions will come right here. It can be in any country. After you selected your country, all the schools will come right here as soon as you type this. So from here you select your college or university, and then you fill out your name, date of birth, everything right here. So this takes just 2 minutes to fill out this form. Just provide your email address. So this needs to be a school issued email address, not a personal Gmail address. So this will not be accepted. You need to be a valid student and provide that school issued email address. And after you do that, you click on this verify my student status. And once you click on that, your Figma will actually verify whether you are a student or not. And after that, they will verify using SheerID, which is actually a legal way to actually prove whether you are a student or not. They will send out your email address. So simply check your inbox. If the application is accepted, then you will be able to use Claude Opus, Claude Fable. So right here you get this verified email address, get verified, and right here you click on finish verifying. So this link will expire on August 19th. So right here you click on that, and now the real verification will start using SheerID. So right here you need to upload some documents that confirm your student status, your full name, academic institution name, logo, current enrollment. This can be a school ID card with expiration date, class schedule, tuition receipt. File must be JPG or PDF or PNG. After that, what happens next? Once they verify using SheerID, you will be expected review time will be just few minutes. After that, they will send out an email, and then you can access Claude Opus, Claude Fable once you are verified. And right here you click add documents. You actually select the image, the documents. You can select multiple documents and then click on submit. This needs to be your valid school ID, and this is the last step. After that, you will receive an email address whether you are verified or not. So if you actually submitted valid documents, 100% you will be verified, and this is the most legal way by which, guys, you can Figma student plan. You can actually get Claude Opus, Claude Fable for 2 years. You can even read right here Figma student plan, Claude for 2 years. You can even search this. So they actually include this. Figma education provides, yeah, so last up to 2 years. As you can see, they actually include Anthropic Claude depending upon your account status, active account status. So actually, they provide you with Claude Pro plan for 2 years. The only requirement is that you need to be a student. So I actually showed you all the steps, and just fill out the student plan form and just prove that you are a student. After that, you will be able to access Claude Opus, Claude Fable for 2 years through Figma student plan. So definitely check this out, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and also comment.